Just south of I-10, Bernie, that neck of the woods, all considered Central Texas, up to just south of Waco, which is pretty good size, right? So, like I said, it's vacant land. You got some rural residences of ag. They've got like 10 acres with them, so it's considered commercial kind of loan. Some commercial condos, some duplexes, commercial property. You've got a couple apartment complexes. You've got like an RV park. There's a whole bunch of stuff on here. Okay. Acreage 10, 20. There's even 200-acre lot on this thing for sale here in the city, and then also some rural stuff. Okay. Now, let me give you an idea. What are they going to send you? What's that money going to get you? So this is the list. Okay. So this is the down list. You can see, like I just, they upload time when this stuff goes to foreclosure. So like, am I going to be able to like buy anything off of this list? Because the foreclosure auction is a day.